Elon Musk didn't just tease a product. He detonated a housing revolution with a $7,759 Tesla tiny home that's fully off-grid, hurricane-rated to 140 miles per hour, foldable into a flat pack, shippable on a single truck for under $1,000, and ready to live in within 1 hour of arrival. Welcome to Tech Nova Max, the channel about to cross 500 subscribers. And if you want to be the first human on Earth to know the exact second Tesla opens 500 pre-order deposits, smash that red button, slam the bell, and let's dive into the full blueprint of how Elon is about to make land optional, rent obsolete, and home ownership cheaper than your phone plan. The average American prefab today costs between $55,000 and $80,000 for 300 to 400 square feet of basic shelter. But Tesla flipped the entire economics upside down by treating homes exactly like cars. They built an automated Giga home assembly line inside Giga, Nevada that churns out 20 finished houses in the exact time a traditional construction crew lays one foundation, slashing labor from $45,000 per unit down to a mind-blowing $2,800 because 92% of the work is done by robots that never call in sick, never sue for overtime, and weld with micron precision. The secret sauce is a brand new material Tesla calls NovaCore, a recyclable compressed fiber composite made from recycled Cybertruck aluminum, plant-based resins, and graphene-infused binders that costs 75% less than dimensional lumber, weighs 40% less than steel, insulates at R38, resists mold, fire, and termites, and is already proven in Cybertruck bedliners and solar roof tiles, meaning every wall, floor, and ceiling panel is stronger, greener, and cheaper than anything Home Depot has ever stocked. Shipping is the next cheat code. The entire house folds flat into a 20 by 8 by 4 foot package that stacks 10 units high on one flatbed, dropping delivery from $5,000 per traditional prefab down to $1,000. And because the footprint is only 375 square feet, 20 times 18.75 feet, the cost per square foot collapses from the industry standard of $150 to $200 to an unbelievable $20.70, which is less than the price of a decent carpet. Comment $7,759 right now if your monthly rent is higher than the entire purchase price of this house, because we're reading every single one. Inside, the space feels anything but tiny. 10.5-foot vaulted ceilings create a visual expansion trick that makes the home feel 40% larger than competing 400 square feet of boxes. A falcon wing children's loft drops from the ceiling on electromagnetic rails to add instant bunk space. Smart glass partition walls switch from crystal clear to opaque with voice command, so your studio becomes a one-bedroom in 3 seconds. A triple flip kitchen island starts as a prep counter, unfolds into a 6-person dining table, then flips again into a full standing desk with integrated USB-C hubs and LED task lighting, and Tesla embedded 127 cubic feet of hidden storage using the same underfloor and overhead compartments they perfected in the Model Y frunk, giving you more closet space than most urban apartments. Sustainability is baked in. The 6.2 kilowatt solar glass roof, invisible thin film perovskite layers laminated into the NovaCore panels, generates 142% of daily energy needs, feeding a Powerwall 3 Mini that stores enough juice for 7 full days off-grid. Even if the sun takes a vacation, a closed-loop greywater system recycles 98.7% of shower and sink water through a 7-stage filtration train that feeds a 24-square-foot vertical hydroponic garden capable of producing 156 pounds of organic vegetables per year, while rooftop gutters capture up to 847 gallons of rainwater annually with a 72-hour emergency reserve tank, and a bio-composting toilet reduces solid waste by 91%, turning leftovers into fertilizer via an onboard organic food processor. Setup is where Tesla truly breaks the matrix. 2 people, basic hand tools, 60 minutes, no concrete slab, no crane, no permits for weeks. 4 hydraulic self-leveling legs drop from the chassis. The house unfolds like a pop-up book. Utility ports auto-connect via SwiftLink magnetic couplers, and you're sipping coffee inside before the pizza delivery guy finds your old apartment. Mobility is the ultimate flex. At £5,100, the home can be towed by any Cybertruck, Model 2, or standard half-ton pickup, meaning you can relocate from Seattle rain to Austin sunshine without a $15,000 moving truck. And because it meets FHWA oversized load standards, you can legally park it in 2,800-plus RV resorts nationwide for as low as $29 per night long-term. But Elon isn't stopping at individual units. He's building entire land-free ecosystems. In Austin, the city just greenlit a 156-unit Tesla village on 18 acres with full municipal water, fiber, and Starlink included for $175 per month, which is 86% below the national mortgage average. In Nevada, a 5,000-acre gigatown is breaking ground in 2026 with shared mega-solar arrays, centralized battery farms, and autonomous shuttle loops. In California, a partnership with the State Housing Authority will deliver 23,000 subsidized units by 2028, each buyer stacking $2,328 federal solar tax credit plus $3,500 sustainable housing credit plus up to $8,000 New York or California state rebates, meaning many buyers will literally get paid to take ownership. Financing is engineered to be painless. 0 down, 0% interest microloans through Tesla Energy at $130 per month for 5 years, or a lease-to-own path that hands you the deed after 7 years for a total of $10,668, and early adopters may reserve with a refundable $500 deposit rumored to open 3 weeks before public launch. Hard proof is already on the ground. 47 field test units have survived Arizona 115 degrees, Fahrenheit deserts, and upstate New York minus 20 degrees, Fahrenheit blizzards with 0 thermal leaks. 500-plus extreme stress prototypes at Giga Nevada endured 120 miles per hour, hurricane winds 7.0, magnitude simulated quakes, and 24-hour icebox tests without a single structural failure. 50 employee pilot homes are currently occupied around SpaceX Starbase in South Texas, with real-world feedback shaping the final consumer version. And fresh satellite imagery from Giga Texas shows assembly jigs for 15,000 units per quarter by mid-2026, based on Tesla's Model Y rollout cadence of 18 months from reveal to delivery. Industry insiders predict public sales in Q3 2026, with early reservation holders receiving VINs before the official announcement. To make sure you're first in line, turn on the bell, comment "First 500" and we'll DM you the second the reservation portal goes live. Follow at TechNovamax on X for nightly leak drops. And if you're a retiree tired of $1,800 studio rent, a veteran craving stability, or a remote worker ready to ditch the city, type game changer below, because 375 square feet of Tesla genius is about to become the most valuable real estate on Earth. $7,759 isn't a price tag. It's the entry ticket to a new American dream, where your home powers itself, waters itself, feeds you, and follows you anywhere. Will you keep paying someone else's mortgage, or will you own the future? Technova Max is 500 subs strong and growing because of legends like you. Like this video if you're ready to move in tomorrow, subscribe if you refuse to miss the countdown, and comment $7,759 to claim your spot in history. The next update drops in 48 hours, and the revolution starts with the notification you turn on right now.